Dear all, in this C lecture series, we will study the topic string. So, before studying the string, we will discuss the question given to you in the previous lecture. So, in the previous lecture, we have given you the question that is, what is the highest index for an array with the elements 7? If array is there, if it is having that is 7 elements, we have defined an array, it is having the 7 elements. So, what will be the highest index of the array? I think I have told you that array indexing starts from the 0, then it will be 1, then it will be 2, then it will be 3, then it will be 4, then 5, then it will be 6. So it will start from the 0 and it will go up to 6. So I think C should be the correct answer. So you can log the answer C. Now if we talk about the uh, today's lecture, today we are going to discuss the string in C. So what is the meaning of string? A string can be defined as one dimensional array. So whatever we have seen in the array, that concept will also come here. That is, it is string is defined as one dimensional array of characters. So it is array of characters. So what is where the string is terminated? String is terminated by the null character. How we will know that this is the end of the string? If the termination character is there, that is /0, then it is the end of the string by a null. Each string in the array occupy one byte of each character occupy one byte of memory. Means, for example, if I am writing capital A, so this will occupy one byte of memory. Termination character is important in a string since it is only way to identify where string ends. So this termination character is important. Then how we declare the string? So we will be writing the char, then name of the string, and then size of the string. Then so it will automatically take one as one dimensional array. That is, if we are writing computer, then it will start indexing from the 0. It will be writing computer, then it will end with the /0, that is null or termination character. So this is how we define the string. String, we can say it is a one dimensional array of the character. So in this 1D array, the characters are there. So string definition is that it is a one dimensional array of characters where the termination character is there. Null is there on the termination. Now, if we talk about the declaration in string, so there are two ways to declare the string. One way is that by the way of the character, by the way of the character means that we if we are writing like char name size of the string, then inside the curly braces we are writing each word C in the single quote, O in the single quote. Like this, we are ending with the termination character, that is null. So this is the one way. By the character way we can declare the string. Another way is by the way of the string. So we can also declare like that char, then name of the string, then size of the string, then we can write the computer inside the double quote. Means, so this is the way of the string we can declare one string, that is computer. Now, what is the advantage of this way? That is /null character or termination character is automatically inserted at the end of the declaration. So by these two way, by the way of the each word or by the way of the string, we can declare the any string. Now, if we talk about the how we can read the string, so for reading of the string, there are two ways. One way is by I can read the string by the use of the scanf. So By the use of the scanf, by the use of the scanf, I can read the string. So that is, if I am writing here declaring any string by the name, then we are asking the user to enter the name. Then I am writing the scanf percent s name. So user will enter the string that is name. So I am displaying that string that is name percent s name. So what is the difference? That is, there is no need to use the address operator in the scanf to store the string. So in scanf we are using the ampersand symbol, but here in the case of the string, if we are using the percent s, then there is no need to use the ampersand operator or address operator. Now, in case of the scanf, the termination it's terminates input on the first white space. If there is a space, then it will not read after that space. So we can take one example here. If I am writing Harish, then it will be displayed. Harish will be displayed. Now, if I am writing Harish Prajapati, then there is a space between Harish and Prajapati, so it will display only Harish, it will not display Prajapati. So if I talk the example, that is, if we want to display the name and surname, then B it will not display the surname, it will display only name. So this is when we are using the scanf for reading the string. Now we can also read any string with the use of the getS. So getS is especially made for reading the string. So instead of using the scanf, we should use the getS for reading any string. That is, here in the program, we are declaring the string name, then we are asking the user to enter the name. So here instead of getS, scanf, we are using the getS name. So here, if we are using the getS, then it will it does not stop reading input until encounters the white space. Means that it will read name and surname both, and it will display both name and surname. GetS reads until encounters end of file. So, in case of the space also, it will read the string. So we are getting here the name and surname both. I have taken the Harish Prajapati, so it is displaying the Harish Prajapati. So getS, by the getS we can read the string. Now, if we talk about the string functions, what are the functions we use in the string? So one function in the string is there, that is strlen. So what is the meaning of strlen? It returns the length of the string. So it will return the number of words and are there count the number of words in the string. Now if we want to use any string function, the header file you have to include the header file string.h. So then only we can use the string function strlen or any other function. So this is one of the header file which is required to be added while using these string functions. Now similar program approximately we are having one s1 string. We are asking the user to enter the string. Then I have used so by the help of getS, I will be reading the string. So now I am using the printf %d strlen s1. So strlen means it will return the number of words in the string, means string length. For example, I am writing here Harish Prajapati. So it will count the number of birds here in the string. So, for example, HARASH, if I am writing, so it contains the 6 words. If I am writing the Prajapati, so it contains the 9 words. So it will be it will be give us the answer. It will give us the answer 15. So it will count the total number of words in the string. Now, if we take out another functions in the string, then one function we are having strcmp. Strcmp means we want to compare the two strings. For example, so strcmp will return the 0 if both s1 and s2 string are the same. It will return the negative if s1 is less than s2, and it will return s positive if s1 is greater than s2. Now, if we are having the two string s1 and s2, then we are asking the user to enter s1. So I am writing get as s1. I am asking the user to enter s2. So I am writing get as s2. Then we have written strcmp s1 comma s2. So it will give the answer 0 if both are the same. So I am checking the condition whether it is 0 or not. So if it is 0, then we will print that string are same. So like this, we can check the two strings are same or not. For example, I have taken the string 1 computer. Again I am taking the string 2 computer. Since both are same, so our answer will be string are same. So like this, with the use of strcmp, here also we have to include the header file string.h. So this header file is compulsory if we want to use the strcmp function of the string. Now, if we talk about the other functions of the string, then we can discuss them. That is if one function is there str. So str means returns the pointer to the first occurrence of the given string. So for example, here the s1 is there capital THEIR and s2 is there THERE. Then if I am writing here str h1 comma he, so h1 means capital T H, s1 means capital THEIR. Then I am writing here he. So our cursor will come here. So it will return the string from this place. So he is the string where the cursor will go there. Then another string I am having here strcat. Cat means it will combine append the string 2 with the string 1. So strcat means concatenation, means it will combine both the strings. So for example, if I am writing here str s1 comma s2, so it will combine both the strings, that is s1 is capital THER and s2 is there capital THERE. So it is combined both the strings. Now, if we talk about other string function, then for example, another string function I am having here strchr. Strchr means returns the string pointer to the first occurrence of given character. Means it means that if I am writing strchr s1 comma I. So for example, s1 is there capital THEIR. So the pointer will come here at the place of I. So this will return the string from this place. So answer will be, this will remove the this portion, and it will return the answer IR. So our answer will be IR. Now, if we talk about the strcpy means it will copy the string. So if I am writing strcpy s1 s2, अगर हमने यहाँ पे s1 s2 लिखा तो s1 की जगह पर आपके पास s2 कॉपी हो जाएगा. It means that answer will be THERE because THERE is the s2 string. If we talk about the other string functions, so one function we are having strrev. Strrev is the reverse the string. Means, for example, one string I am having capital THEIR. So if I am writing here strrev, so it will return us answer. R will come at the first place, then I will come, then E will come, then H will come, then T, capital T will come. So like this, it will reverse the string. So if you want to reverse your name, you want to see what will be my another name by reversing the name, so you can apply string strrev. Now we are having one function strlwr. strlwr means it will convert all the letters into lower case. जैसे कि हमने एग्जाम्पल में यहाँ पे S1 में कैपिटल THEIR लिया हुआ है, तो उस केस में आपके पास if I am applying here strlwr, then it will convert our S1 string was capital THEIR, so it will convert all the letters into lowercase letters. Means capital T will become now the small t. Other letters are in the small case. Now, now if we talk about another function, that is strcpy. So strcpy ncpy will copy the number of letters. Means if we does not want to copy the complete string, then we can copy only the number of letters we want. So n means we have to give the counting of the letters you want to copy or characters you want to copy. For example, I am writing here strncpy s1 s2 s comma 2. So it will copy the two letters of the string s2. So it means that in place of the s1, it means that the two letters of S2 are capital THERE is the string, so it will copy only these two letters. So our output will be TH, capital TH. So these are the some string functions. We can see some other more functions, that is one function is there, that is one more function is there, that is strncat. strncat means it appends the n character with the string s2. Means we can concatenate or we can combine n number of words or characters. Previously we have seen the strcat, means it is combining both the strings s1 and s2. Now we can combine only some of the letters as we want. So n means number of letters you want to combine with the s1 from the s2 string. तो S1 स्ट्रिंग के साथ S2 स्ट्रिंग के कितने लेटर्स आपको कंबाइन करने हैं, तो N मीन्स वी हैव टू राइट द नंबर ऑफ लेटर्स हियर. For example, S1 string is capital THEIR. Now I am writing here S2 comma 2, means it will take the two letters from the string S2 and it will combine with S1. So this is capital THER, capital TH. So I have told you, or if I am using any of the string function, then I have to include the header file string.h. We will be writing hash include string.h. We will be including, then only we can use these functions. Then one function is strncmp. We can compare only some of the letters as we want, and means count of the letters we want to compare. So it will compare the n characters of string s1 and s2. So n is the number of characters we want to compare. ncmp. So these are the some of the string functions we have seen. Now if we talk about the, so here we have completed the string portion. So we can have one question to assess ourselves that what we have learned from this lecture. Or so you can try one question and you can try to answer this question in the comment box. Which function will you choose to join two words? If I want to combine or concatenate the two words, then what is the function in the string? So you can get strs. Their options are strcpy, strcat, strncon, memcon. So these are the some of the options. So you can try this question. So thank you all of you for watching this video, and if you like this video, then you can hit the like button, and you can share this video with your friends. Thank you all of you.